Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Siddharth Kale and today I am going to do weekly reading for all of you from 12th July to 18th July. We have three crystals over here. The first is clear quartz, the second is rose quartz, and the third is pyrite. So you have to choose any one which attracts you. So guys, just choose a crystal which is attracting you from this. Again I will repeat, this is clear quartz, this is rose quartz, and this is pyrite. So let's start, and before starting the reading I would like to tell all of you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So for all the people who have chosen this first crystal, that is clear quartz, so first we'll see what is the next week all about. So we have Page of Pentacles, we have the Judgment, and we have the Hermit. So guys, when we talk about the upcoming period, the week, so Page of Pentacles is telling us about new opportunities related to finance or new opportunities related to learning, where you can learn how to manage your money, or you can learn how to manage your finances, or if you are a new learner, or if you want to pursue something new. So definitely there is a great scope, and yes, Judgment is telling us that whatever we do over here, the same amount of knowledge, the same amount of justice we will get. And yes, if we concentrate on it properly, if we work for it properly, over here the Hermit will give us a lot of experience, will give us a lot of insight about it, and it will also help you to guide others also. And when during this learning process you will also get guidance from others. So this becomes very important for all of you to understand the perspective that learning in the upcoming week is very important for you, because that is going to help you ahead. The experience that you get from the learnings, the quality of material that you get from the learning is very much going to be important for all of you in the upcoming week. And so now we will see about finances. How is your finance going to be in the upcoming week? So I have some another cards that I am shuffling. So we'll only just take one card. Justice. So for finances, it is very important for all of you how you are using your money. So using your money in a right way is very important. So try to make investments rather than spending. Try to save your money rather than spending it unnecessarily, because the same money is going to be useful for all of you in the a near future. So in the upcoming week you can it is very important for you to save your money. Don't waste your money. Try to keep it safely with you. Try to give justice to your money by using it properly. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Very important message we have got for finance. And when we talk about career, let's see what is career part saying for the upcoming week. Career, Two of Cups. So when in terms of career, that you will definitely develop some new relationship, you will definitely develop some new bonding with people, scope of meeting new people to understand your work, where people will support you. You will get good amount of support from your seniors as well as your colleagues in your career. So a good scope to go ahead in your career, to learn new things. And if we compare these three cards, overall weekly reading with the career path, so here I can see a learning opportunity. Here we can see help. Judgment is what we do, what we get back. Hermit, experience. So overall these cards are related to your career. And if we compare Page of Pentacles with Justice, so what money you have, please use it properly. The money amount won't be that great or won't be that big, but using it properly is very important over here. Okay guys, so now we'll move ahead and understand about love. So how is your love or your love life in the upcoming week? I'm just shuffling these cards. Let's see what is the Christ. Open the door to the kingdom of heaven. You know, so this is definitely telling that you have to understand everyone. You have to understand all the sides of both the coins, and you have to work in the same way for your love. Or so this love can be related to your friends, your family, or your wife or children, anyone whom you love from your heart. So open the door to the kingdom of heaven. So understand this thing. So invite everyone. You can meet everyone, socialize with everyone. So that will help you to build your bond much more stronger with people. Apart from that, it will also help you to be at a different level. So remember this thing. Okay guys, and so what is the guidance for your family, you and your family? Okay, we have two cards over here. So Vyan and Seagull. So Seagull definitely tell you there is lot of enthusiasm. So there is lot of there can be lot of new things happening all around your family. So a lot of enthusiasm which will be seen next week. So you can enjoy a good time with your family, you can spend a good time with your family. This again indicates a lot of happiness, a lot of hope over here. So a good quality time can be spent your family. So I will always suggest that all these cards are somewhere indicating that you can try for something. You can spend a quality time with your family. You all can go at a outing or somewhere where you are relaxing with your family for a dinner, or for a small small visit for something which you all love together to be. So overall all of you can see. And now I will definitely give you a message, a very important message for your upcoming week, that will help you to deal with different kind of situations if they occur with you. So it will be a time to give rather than take. So this message is specifically for your family, as we have seen 2-3 things indicating in family, because in work life we will be getting something, in knowledge life we will be getting something. So this is more towards your family, a time to give rather than take. So don't see what others have done, don't see what people are doing, and don't see what you have got, but see what you can give to others. That is very important. It becomes very important in this case. So try to give, try to distribute things, try to give a happiness, try to spend quality time. Don't expect anything, because all these things will be converted into blessings some or the other way. Okay guys, so this is for the people who have chosen this crystal clear quartz. So now the reading is for all the people who have chosen this rose quartz. So I'll shuffle my tarot cards. So we have few cards over here. Okay. So there are 4 tarot cards. We will not ignore them. They have come up for us. So here we can see 8 of swords. So you might feel trapped, you might feel that you're not able to do anything, and this this reason would be over here, because you might not be able to maintain balance between 2-3 things together. So that is why this feeling might come. But then here you have a good hope to start something new related to your work or your career, or in your job, if you're looking for a new project to get started. So you can be a part of it. Here I can see a good scope for that. But don't ignore this situation over here, because here if you are not able to get balance, then you might have to do something new over here. And then we can see definitely 10 of wands. So don't take all if you take a work over here, then don't take all the responsibility on your head, distribute it equally. So it is very important for you to distributing all the responsibility to everyone, just not take burden on yourself. So please keep that in mind, and understand that balancing. So if you go in balancing 2-3 things together, that won't happen. So try to avoid balancing 2-3 things together. Try to understand what is the need of an hour, उस वक्त की ज़रूरत समझिए आप, and then you can think that you want to continue the previous ones or you want to start with a new one. That totally depends upon you, related to your work, or most probably it is related to work and thinking. And here, so distribute the responsibility to everyone. Don't only take it on your head. Please remember that, because taking burden on your head again, it will be problem for you only. So don't forget that. So now we will see what are your finances saying for the next week. Just shuffling. The Magician. Okay, I'll just keep it over here. So for finances, one thing is very much clear, that you know how to work upon your money. You have you know how to use your money very well. So just keep on doing that. Keep on keeping your money wherever you are feeling safe, and you basically, so you are aware how to use your money, keep your money. And you have been, so I feel that you all must be into some kind of short term investments which give you all profits. So where you are doubling up the money, like share markets or stock market. So you can keep on doing that. But at the end of the day, please, yes, it's an individual choice whether to pursue that or not. But yes, how to use your money to make investments and all these things. So not an money, finance won't be a issue for you all. Your finances are looking great enough. And we are looking at the career. Now how is your career going to be? 6 of Wands. So definitely something creative, creativity is somewhere involved related to your career. Creativity is involved somewhere, related to your work and all. And it becomes very much important for all of you to understand what you all are exactly doing, or what you all are exactly pursuing in the career path. Okay, and that becomes very much important. Here I can also see a scope, where you might, somewhere achieve what you want. Though we see over here a bit burden, unbalancing thing, but in your career you will be achieving what you want, whatever targets you have been set, or for whatever you have been working hard, the result you will get on your side. So the result will be positive for all of you. So don't forget this thing related to your career. And definitely, whenever we talk about love, one of the most important aspects in our life. So what is your love life? What message is there for it related to your love? So the love can be to anyone, for your children, for your wife, for anyone. Soul satisfaction. Aim for that which makes your soul rejoice. So do what makes you happy. Don't think much about others. So do what makes you happy. Make yourself happy. If you feel happy yourself alone, try to spend time for yourself. If you want to spend time with family, that is totally your individual perspective, that what makes you happy, that is important for you. Okay, so aim for that makes your soul rejoice. Soul satisfaction. Satisfy yourself. Your satisfaction is more important next week. So please keep in mind. I have this runes card. So what is family life? What is the guidance for family? We will see over here. Degas. So Degas is definitely telling about a beautiful and quality time with family. So family life will be overall happy. There will be a lot of happiness in family. Everyone, there will be a lot of harmony, lot of enjoyment in family. So family, you all those staying together, or you must be somewhere else, but there will be overall happiness, satisfaction with whatever happening in family. So overall family life is great enough to go with in the upcoming week. And guidance cards, that what is the one particular message for you, that is very important. Nothing is yet in the stone. Nothing is yet in the stone. So basically this card is telling that unless and until you don't work for things, you won't get things. So if you all have seen the cards that have come over here, if you all see the cards that have come over here are reflecting clearly over here, nothing is yet set in stone, because you have to work hard, you have to distribute responsibility equally. When you do this, this will get away and you will get the results over here. See, you will get results over here. Only what you have to distribute the responsibility. Don't take too much things on your head, distribute the responsibility equally, you will get the results for sure. So don't think much about it, just try to implement things, try not thinking about much about things, try to distribute responsibility equally. So that is very much important for all of you, for people who have chosen this second crystal, that is rose quartz. Okay, so moving ahead, our last crystal, pyrite, for all the people who have chosen this one. So please, so let's shuffle our cards. And so next week is about family, a very happy family of so you will spend a lot of time with your family, a quality time with your family. Here you might start something related to your work, something different, and also you might travel also somewhere that might be related to your work purpose. So travel also is seen, a happy family is also seen, new projects coming under or new start towards things are also seen for those who have chosen pyrite. So overall, understanding this thing, so two major things are covered over here, that is family and second is work. So next week will be related to family and work all about. And now we will see the finances. So finances also will be done with tarot cards. Knight of Wands. So it is very important for you to understand your finances. Use your finances in wise way. You know what you have to do with your finances, you are aware about that, but yes, do not hurry for anything, wait, watch and then take a call. Just don't run because you want to do that, just don't run because you have to complete your target, but yes, think wisely and then take a decision related to all your finances. If you feel at that moment that is right, then you can go for the decision that you are taken. And yes, related to your career, what is your career path saying for the upcoming week? Nine of Cups. So definitely you will be very much satisfied with the results and of what you get in your career path. You will be very much happy, you will be very much satisfied with what happens related to your career. And even you can, if you are waiting for a particular thing or a result, or you are waiting for a particular aspect that has to be done, that will be successfully done in the upcoming week. So definitely Nine of Cups overall is telling that career related everything is very much satisfied, very much happiness, you will be self satisfied from inside, that is very much important. So now we will see for love, this can be related to anyone whom you love, and I'm just shuffling this card, let's see what comes. So Archangel Raphael, healing and abundance are coming your way. So if you have been facing a few kind of difficulties from earlier, so the healing is on the process. Trust yourself, trust what you do, trust on whom you pray, that becomes very important. So see things with open eyes, don't try to avoid things. There are things in front of you which you might be avoiding, or you might not want to see those, but yes, definitely if you see, there is lot of healing that is coming towards you, there is lot of abundance that is coming towards you. So accept it with open arms, and that will definitely help you in your love life. So this will also heal, if you have been facing relationship issues, or if you have been facing issues with your people whom you love, but then you don't want to get separated, so things are going to get sorted, you know, everything is going to be fine, everything, you know, there is lot of happiness that is going to come. So, you know, trust yourself, trust your God that you believe in. Okay. And so if we talk about family life, so in family what it is all about, we'll just try to understand with runes cards. So here you can see, so there is lot of strength in family to overcome. So, you know, whatever obstacles are coming or whatever, you know, if there are any kind of issues, so all can get sorted around over here. So that is very much important for all of us. And apart from that, you know, it again, if you are if you want to take any decision in your family, and very important decision, so you might be the decision taker of it, you might be the strength of your family, so you have to stand as a strength of your family in the upcoming. If you are going to face any kind of difficulties, you know, if you are aware about any kind of situation, difficult situation that is your family going to face, so you are the strength of your family and you have to stand with your family in that. But yes, definitely everyone has to be together, so you have to keep the whole family together also. So don't forget that you are the strength, you are the power of your family. They believe you and see you as a power. So, you know, you have to show that trust towards them. You have to understand everyone and take a decision for your family. Do not forget that. And what is that one important message for all of you? Just shuffling these cards. So there are two cards that have turned up. That is a time for healing, and you and your loved ones are safe. So if you clearly see, these two cards are clearly matching the cards over here. So time for healing, here we have seen something, you know, you strength, being a strength for your family. Here we have seen happy family. Here we have seen you are the strength for your family. Understand this thing. Here we are seeing you and your loved ones are safe. So all these things are internally collected. So don't worry, stay strong, stay with your family, and a time for healing. So here, any kind of issues with loved ones, everything is going to get solved. Just trust your God, trust the situation of you know, whatever situation it is going to be, trust yourself, trust the decisions that you are taking. That becomes very important during this period. So do not forget that. So stay strong with your family, so and everything will be good enough. You will be hoping for a new start in your career also, or you know, new opportunities will be seen in front of you. So overall satisfaction is seen, overall happiness is also seen. So guys, this is for all the people who have chosen pyrite crystal. So guys, we have almost done with the today's video. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe towards our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and yes, please wait for our next video. So guys, see you till then. Please take care. Have a safe time.